Hello you guys, welcome back to your girl SydTa'bre's YouTube channel. In today's video, happy Easter. I said I was going to wake up early and give y'all Ulta Academy part 2. So before we get started in details about what this video is about, we're going to like, comment, and subscribe. Come back for more. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. So this is going to be the first video of the week. So Ulta Academy is for my guests that come into Ulta that I am helping, and also my riders here on YouTube. But I do have a more advanced video, which is Ulta Academy part 1. If you want to know 5 tricks of how to improve your makeup like a makeup artist, I already have a video down below on my TikTok on how to prep your skin. The skin prep is everything. I will do a separate video for that, but today's video is to focus on foundation and concealer. When you watch the video, make sure you pause and do the step and then start back. That's the easiest way for me to explain it. So if you are Ulta guest, thank you for tuning in. If you are a rider, thank you for tuning in. Okay, so after I put on my moisturizer, right now I am currently using the Milk primer. This gets a 9 out of 10 for me. I think it's good. I got it in gratis. I personally wouldn't buy it. I would buy the Smash box, but it is good. I do give it a 9 out of 10. It just doesn't hold as much as I would like to without me putting all my steps together, if that makes sense. Okay, so next I'm gonna set my primer with my Laura Mercier setting powder. You can use any setting powder, it doesn't matter. Before I even start getting oily, let that oil be cold. If you have dry skin, you can skip that step. Alright, and then step number 3, you're going to see me apply my foundation. I'm using the Estee Lauder New Foundation, and this is the shade Bronze. I apply with a spatula. I think it's so much easier to apply, and then you buff up the skin with a Real Technique brush or a Morphe brush. I got that one in gratis, so that's the one I'm using. The first concealer that I put on, obviously you can tell it's a little darker. It's more like a flat neutral. It's in the shade Fadula, and this is from not Ulta, this is from Sephora. I give the concealer, honestly and truthfully, I give it a 20 out of 10. I would buy that with my own money. They actually sent it to me, but I love it. I feel like it neutralizes me, so that way when I put my other concealers on, it has like a more my skin tone base. So hopefully that makes sense. So you really only need 2 concealers. I just used 3. Alright, so my second concealer is going to be number 13, the Juvia's Place. This is a great affordable concealer. It will always be a great affordable concealer. So if you want to go into Ulta and get something balling on a budget, that's what you want. I'm in the shade 13, but I always like to go a little brighter. It's gloomy outside, it's Easter, so today like this, I'm going to go brighter. We're going to go in with the best high of the high end of Ulta. This is Natasha. I love this concealer. I give it a 20 out of 10. I will buy it again with my own money. You're literally just blending the concealer out from the outer portion and then going in. I usually let it sit for like 60 seconds to 2 minutes to let it dry. The drier it gets, the tackier it gets, and the easier and smoother it's going to blend out. So that is the butter. That is my favorite part of foundation. That's my favorite part of my makeup routine, is me applying my concealer. This is a really bright shade, so this is N6, so you might not need as bright as this, but I know how to tone it down and make it work. Okay, you guys, that is going to be the end of Ulta Academy part 2. Today we learned how to apply our foundation, and then we also learned how to apply our concealer. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about that today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are Ulta guest, make your account, you know, put your picture up there, follow me, subscribe, because I'm definitely going to do Ulta Academy part 3, which would be what brushes I'm using. And I would love to do that, maybe not necessarily on my birthday, but like maybe Thursday, or I'm sorry, maybe Saturday for my event. I could show y'all how to apply the brushes and to go into detail. Alright, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Be kind to others, be consistent in your own dreams, and trust my Holy Father. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and thank you Ulta guests for supporting me and uplifting me while I'm at work. Okay, thank y'all. See you in the next one.